The US Navy's EA-18G Growler electronic warfare aircraft is one of the few aircraft for jamming missions and is capable of destroying enemy radar stations with anti-radiation missiles. This mission is called Suppression of Enemy Air Defenses, or SEAD, S-E-A-D. Basically, if a modern air force wants to attack an opponent with a strong air defense system, it needs an effective SEAD vehicle to avoid losses. The EA-18G Growler is derived from the F-15E Super Hornet fighter, so it has high speed, better maneuverability, and is equipped with more powerful jumping pods, which are fitted on previous transport aircraft. The EA-18G Growler contributed additional firepower to hit targets during its missions. At the same time, it is fast enough to keep up with the squadron's fighters and get closer to enemy air defenses. China has a tradition of copying ideas from abroad, modifying it to fit Chinese characteristics. It wouldn't be surprising if they created a Growler with a Chinese identifier. It is a variant of the two-seat J-16 Red Eagle attack aircraft, which is a Chinese copy of the Russian Su-30MKK Flanker fighter. The two-seat J-16 is almost equivalent to the US F-15E, but is equipped with active electronically scan array radar, the most modern radar technology available on fighters. The J-16D fighter variant made its first flight on December 18, 2015. The J-16D has been stripped of its 30mm cannon and infrared sensor. Instead, it added several antennas and electronic warfare arrays along the fuselage. The nose dome of the J-16D was reshaped to accommodate a more advanced AESA radar. And most importantly, the electronic warfare pods are mounted on the wingtips, similar to the US ALQ-218 pod on the EA-18G Growler. Under the main wings, the J-16D is also equipped with anti-radar radiation missiles and negative jamming missiles. Each wing can carry from 2 to 3 such missiles. The CM-103 anti-radiation missile has a range of 60 kilometers and is accurate enough to hit naval and ground targets with an 80 kg warhead. China also has a copy of the Russian KH-31P missile, known as the YJ-91, which has a slightly longer range and also has anti-surface warfare capability. Finally, there is a radiation missile called the LD-10 ARM, which is derived from the PL-12 missile. Currently, China also has a number of aircraft capable of electronic warfare, including the two-seat JH-7 bomber. Currently, China has about 240 JH-7 aircraft, serving in the People's Liberation Army Air Force and Naval Air Force. However, the JH-7 lacks electronic warfare equipment integrated in the airframe, not a design specifically for electronic warfare purposes, as served the J-16D. In addition, China has several dozen Y-8GX and Y-9GX. The HD-6 electronic warfare aircraft, based on the H-6 bomber, or the Shanglong Soaring Dragon UAV, can also be used as a tactical jammer. The Chinese Navy also intends to turn the J-15 into a specialized electronic warfare aircraft, like the US EA-18G Growler. But because the two carriers used ski jump takeoffs, the J-15Ds could not carry enough payloads. The question is, which opponents' air defense systems will the J-16Ds have to face, in the context that neighboring countries, with China, have strong anti-electronic suppression capabilities? It can be seen that China's electronic warfare aircraft are most likely used against surface ships of the US Navy, which are equipped with SM-2, SM-6, and Sea Sparrow surface-to-air missiles, capable of shooting down both aircraft and missiles. Beijing is seeking to change the balance of military power in the Western Pacific. The development of a dedicated J-16D electronic warfare aircraft will provide China with an air combat capability similar to that of the US Army. My video about the Chinese J-16D electronic warfare aircraft ends here. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please give me your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos. Tạm biệt và hẹn gặp lại quý vị và các bạn trong các video tiếp theo.